विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. बेशिस्तपणान गाडी चलोवप्यांचे गोंय राज्यान आतां मेरेन 704 जाणांची लायसन्सां सस्पेंड केल्यात अशी माहिती येरादारी खात्याचो उपसंचालक प्रकाश प्रभुदेसाय हांणी दिल्या. ही प्रक्रिया ह्यान फुडें चालूच उरतली आनी रस्त्याचे नियम मोडप्यांची लायसन्सां सस्पेंड जातली अशें तो फुडें उलयला. आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The Supreme Court committee guidelines that driving licenses should be suspended in respect of offenders for committing certain offences as have been listed by the Supreme Court committee. This process is started from 1st January 2017. In the first 3 months, we have suspended 192 licenses. In the next 3 months, that is 1st April 2017 up to 30th June 2017, 240 licenses have been suspended. And in the current period, that is 1st July up to 30th September, 272 licenses have been suspended. This process is a continuous process. Further, we are expected to suspend more licenses in respect of violators, offenders who are found to be violating this. 6 identified offences by the Supreme Court committee entered into by the department with the postal department. All the new RC books as well as the smart card licenses generated as fresh or upon renewal are to be collected by the postal staff and are supposed to be delivered within 24 hours after being collected. The process started well. However, the Department of Post was involved in upgrading their software. That took some time, so there was disruption in the services that were commenced. However, from the last week, they have restarted the collection of the smart card RC books as well as the smart card driving licenses, and the services have been restored again. We are in the process of obtaining the statistics from each of the office regarding the number of smart cards generated on day-to-day basis, handed over to the postal office, and thereafter we will ask them for the status reports from the post office as to the number of deliveries they have carried out.